parameterization part. So can you show me one example? Sequence each occurrence.
Yeah.
And Kiran, WebTour link is not working at my end. I have checked in Edge
No,
and
no, no.
Chrome.
You need to, no, no. Already I send like WebTour, right? You need to install WebTour and you need to open the server. Then only it will open because that is a actually as a load runner only it's a developed application. Okay.
Okay, could you please show me how can we like
Yeah, yeah. I will show you. I will show you.
so because I am facing the issue in the office because I get the time in a lunch break, but that's why.
No, see, you can observe. So in WebTour is there, right? So you need to first of all install the WebTour application
From
in
where
your
I can install?
system only. Already I shared, right? Yeah. Fi-
Maybe day before yesterday, am I right?
yeah, yeah. Everyone I shared two. One is a load runner, one is a WebTour also.
On my email ID or where?
Email ID only. I send from the everyone is email ID only.
Okay, let's check. Maybe.
So in once you can install the WebTour, right? We have the server will be there. You need to server will be there. Okay, this is the start server is there, right? So when you are open this only, you are able to open the WebTour. For example, I will close this, right? So if I close this and now I try to access that application WebTour. So this is the WebTour, right? So just I am launching. So you will get from the this side cannot reach it. Why? Because
Yes.
yeah, why? Because I'm not like open the server. So means every time if you want to work on from the web tour means we have the server. So you need to just on this. Like you can click on this, it will open. Just minimize this. Now you can go to the URL. Now you can click on this. Then you are able to see the URL. See now your application able to access.
And password and username same J2E.
No, 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 no. This is different. This is the username is a Jojo. Password is a Bean. Bean. Okay. Otherwise,
BAN.
you Bean. Yeah. Otherwise, we have the sign up also will be there. If you
Okay.
want to miss, you can with your name also you can create from the one username details also.
Okay. Okay.
Web tools for which scenario, Kiran?
Sorry.
No, web tools for which scenario? Did you show anything?
Ticket booking. Ticket booking that. Okay, this is the ticket booking, like flight ticket booking. Yesterday I showed, right? I given from the assignment to the everyone.
Kiran, I didn't get on email web tour server.
I send load runner software to you, right?
Yes. Yes. With this, you have sent it that. With that,
Which
that. Let me check again.
you
Maybe.
can check it. Maximum when I send, right, two files I will send to everyone. Okay, you will get from the two times different mails, not on one time. Okay,
Okay. Let me check.
so this flight booking application, right? I given from the assignment also. Um, so So you want to open, for example, when you are doing for the scripting, right? You want to open means we can go to the particular folder like in documents, we have the scripts will be user and scripts. There we have all scripts will be there. Like what are the scripts as of now you developed only we are able to see here. So you can open from the like which script already you done some changes. Now you can continue your changes means again come to here and you need to open that. Okay, so For example, I'm opening from the one more is a web tour also I'm opening. So this is the file. We use an file nothing but virtual user. This is the virtual user set you need to open. That is the our file. So then your script will be open. Okay, so means maybe today you done some part and you can save that, and after that how to you can open means you can come to the documents and we have the Vugen in that scripts, then you need to open from the script like this. Now you can observe it will be script will be open. You are able to see script is already it is a developed one. Okay, so means you can open means like this you can open. Now we can see the like okay, now everyone done the assignment, right? Everyone done, like I given from the comparison table and you guys need to complete, I told.
Kiran, I didn't get web tour server mail, so could you please send me again after the call?
Yeah, if you not I will check and I will send. Okay, no worry.
Maybe I
Okay,
didn't.
everyone got right. Praveen, you got it right?
Yes, Kiran. Along with that load runner, I got it.
Yeah, maximum I will share to everyone both also. Let me check, I will check and I will, okay, I will share, no worry. Okay,
Maybe they will get on spam. I need to check other things.
okay, you can check. If it's not there I will send. That is okay, not a big deal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we can do the parameterization. Already we done the username password, all right. So now we can check from the few scenarios, because Praveen and some guys are asking how it is picking from the sequential each iteration random, we can see. So now I am selecting from the sequential each iteration username, and password also I am selecting from the sequential each iteration. Okay, now I am execute from the okay just three iterations, means three users I want to check from the how the value is picking. Before click that, so just assume these are the usernames, okay, and these are the passwords, and we'll give from the starting onwards. Okay, okay, then and save this and you can replay this. See, now we can observe. Okay, so we'll check from the first iteration. See, this is the starting iteration 1. So now we can go here and can observe J2W is picked first time. Means if you go here also you can see here, okay, username J2W and password is picked from the J2W. Okay, second iteration will observe. So iteration 2, go to the end of this iteration. So you can observe ending iteration up to here is completed. Starting iteration 2 means second user, it is now able to log in. So we'll check from the username password which value is picked. So you can observe J2W1 and Kiran is picked. Okay, third iteration we can observe. So JTW2 Praveen is picked.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like one-to-one mapping, right, Kiran?
Yeah. So here we can select as a sequential each iteration. Okay. Okay, we'll check another one also and we'll see. Next we'll check the random thing. Mm, random this.
Random is working fine, I guess. Random, it is picking some random values,
Random
and
is picking
it
correct
repeated
only.
twice or
Once
it
also
repeated twice or
once
thrice
also is picking,
the
right?
same way.
Once unique one, unique each iteration also picking same, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
once also it is picking.
Yeah, unique each iteration also it pick will be same. Like it's one-to-one mapping it is happen. Okay. So we'll see. So now we'll observe J to W, J to W. We are given from the like unique each iteration, and second iteration time we can observe J to W1 Kiran on one-to-one mapping. Okay. So means that property is not working here from the sequential property here. Okay. Actually sequential nothing but we can observe also here we can observe just you can simulate here we are able to understand the how thing it is picking. Okay, unique we are selected, sorry. Sequential each iteration. Okay, if you click here simulate it, it is showing from the correct only, but you can observe from the here user 1 is picking J2W, but second iteration time J2W1 is picking. Okay, so means you can observe every user is a first iteration time it is picking from the same only. Second iteration time J2WT is picking. Third iteration time J2W2 means iteration, each iteration, right? Nothing but its value is updating from the every iteration. Got it, everyone?
Suppose if we have one iteration and with values of 5 usernames and passwords, so you mean it will pick only, it
Yes,
will
it will
run
it will
five
pick
times
from
with
the
the
by
same
10.
iteration.
Yes, yes. Okay, so
Yeah.
that will pick from the like this. Okay, so that is the thing it is happen. So like now as of now everyone is clear, right? So we have to do from the as a real time we can do from the same this way, and we can do from the one more parameterization, one more concept you can call it as a complex parameterization. So what is complex parameterization? Nothing but it's like parent is there, so and dependent values will be there. Like you can observe username will be there and password will be there, first name, last name, address 1, address 2 is there. So the password will be depends on the whom username, and first name also it is depends on the whom username, and address 1, address 2, this all also depends on the username. So we can do for the one more way also parameterization. Okay, so now again just I'm regenerating nothing but just what I did, right? It will be gone, and again script will be same, because again we can record means that will be take time. So just I'm regenerating my script, like what are the I done from here. As of now everything will be removed and fresh new script it will come. So don't do from the your side. Okay, now it's a fresh script. We are able to see the fresh script. You can observe now like username, password we did from the first name, last name, all we did, right? Everything is gone. And if we go here also we can see here it will be there here. So we don't want means we can delete from the here, like you can select from the delete parameter in the dot file and click on yes. If you clearly select and delete, and you can check from the delete data file from the everything in the disk also, you can click on this and close this. Okay, just when you, if you are unfortunately you can add also, we want delete means you can delete from the Like this we can delete from the this. Okay, expire date is fine. Okay, credit card you can delete. Okay, date will be same only, right? Okay, no worry, you can now again. Now we are doing for the parameterization. Same way we can do like how we are did, like we need to select for that value and replace with parameter, create new parameter and give for the parameter name user username underscore p. Okay, p nothing but parameterization, and this is the which type. It's a file type only, and go to the parameter properties, and here we need to click on create table and click on OK, and here you need to select from the by name. Okay, and by name which value be adding username param, and so sequential that will be we can discuss. Okay, now click on OK, and it is asking for the you want to replace from the all means you can click on yes, otherwise no. So now we need to do from the password. Now we are doing for the complex. So you can observe, so just observe that how we are doing for the complex and normal. Okay, same way you can give from the password. Okay, and this is the file type only. Go to the properties and click on create table. Every time we are clicking, now don't click from the when you are doing from the complex, so don't click from the create table. Now what we need to select means what is the your parent one, you need to select from the in the file path, you need to select from that. So password is a child, parent is the who is the parent, like password is the depends on the whom username.
Username.
So that is the we can select from the username dot file. Now see username dot file will be there. Then now you can add the column as a password, right? Just click from the add column. You can observe here password p kept. Just click on OK. Now you can see password column it is added. Previous we did from the like username is a different and password will be different time we did. Now what we are doing, we are doing for the complex parameterization. I'm adding from the like line by line, like column by column. Now after that by name you can select. Now by name which one we can select, username or password?
Password.
Password. Okay, then now next will be we need to select from the here. Every time we are selecting from the sequential random, right? Apart from this we need to select from the one more thing also, same line as other parameter. Same line as other parameter, nothing but like it is a what is the parent will be there, it is a depends on the whom same line value will pick. Like first username will be there, if you select from the same line as user this name, then what will happen means, so this is the same line is the j2w, j2w same line which one, j2w, again it will pick, like it's a one-to-one mapping. And after that you can you are selected from this. Okay, same line as parameter what is there as a parent we are selected, and click on close and click on OK. And if you want to replace you can click yes, otherwise no. Now again we can go to the what values, it is a dependent value will be there. You can go to the credit card number means you can select it. Same way you can click on right button, replace with parameter and click on create new parameter and give the parameter name. So what is the value we are doing, credit card cc underscore some p, nothing but credit card parameterization, and this is the file type only. Go to the parameter properties. Now we need to select from the which one, previous we did click on creatable, don't click from the creatable. Now what we need to select, what is
File
our
path.
parent,
Username.
what is the dot file, username param. And one more thing I think I forget from the like it is anyone ask from the what is the extension of the parameterization, nothing but dot dot. Okay, you can observe also dot dot. Now again next what we can do, we can click on the add column and you can observe cc1, just click this, it is a cc column also added. Again you need to select from the by name, is the username or cc or what is that we can select, Praveen?
CC.
CC. Why? Because we are doing from the CC1 now. And here we are selecting from the same line as username parameter. So means why we are selecting this means what is the same line will be there, that value only can pick. So that is why we are selecting from the every time as a parent one. Okay, and click on close and click on OK and click on no. Okay, next you need to do from the first name also same way. Replace with parameter and create new parameter and give the first name underscore p and click on properties. Again select from the our parent is this, then click on add column and we are adding from the first name p. By name you need to select from the first name parameterization and here we need to select from the same line as user parameter. Okay, click on close and click on OK. So like this we can do from the complex parameterization. So now we can observe. So now we want to do from the first name, last name, address one, all also we can do from the like this. And after that you want to add data means you can come to click on this, it will come to the notepad and you can see. So all will be, it is added username param and comma password p comma cc and first name. So what you are given comma here also it is a separate with the comma only. You can observe this is the username up to this and comma and password and this is the cc credit card number and this is the first name. And if you want to add means again you can add from the same way, you can add from the data. Okay, and one more thing, so you need to add from the like maximum real time we can do from the this way only. Okay, so because we are selecting from the like sequential random unique these kind of things, right, that will be somewhat will be not good. So this is the very good same line as other parameter, because nothing but what is the same line will be there, that value only it will pick from the first iteration time. And second iteration time, second value we pick. For example, if you added from the next row, okay, okay, and just I'm changing from the credit card also some digits, and I'm changing from the first name also. So now we can save this and you can see now. So what will happen, first iteration time it will pick from the like this, like first time first username will pick this and password this pick and like next credit card and first name and last name, what are details you are added all will pick from the same line columns. And second iteration time what will happen, what is the second line will be there, all values will pick. That is the, this is also like one-to-one mapping only. It's clear for this everyone?
Kiran, I have a question. Like on second time you filled that J2EE1, J2EN, is it actually exist this username password in the front end side?
Yes, yes.
Like
I will come to that point also. Okay.
okay,
So as of now, if you are providing the data, so if you provide from the this for CC and first name, whatever maybe you can give, that is fine. But username password, right? You should be give the valid data. Means it will be you will be able to access the application. That name only you can give. Then only your script will be pass. See, for example, if you go here, application, already pastor we have, right? Okay, just log out. So I given second column, you can observe J2W1 and J2W1. We'll see we are able to log in or not, you can check. J2W1 and J2W1. So you can observe this user, please enter correct password, using valid username and password. Sign on fail. So means your script will be fail pass for this
fail.
fail. So means that is why when you are providing for this data, you need provide from the like username password should be every time will be unique data, and that already it is a created user only you need to use. Okay, now our question,
Yes.
like now we need from the data. So if you want data means how to we can do means you can, for example, this script will be there. Okay, now you have the sign up will be there. Click on sign up and enter that data and create that data and use that, it will work. Yes, right, because we are creating from the username password.
Okay. But Kiran, suppose if anybody want to do for like 200, 300 user data, so he should have to create a 200 sign up for that, for valid data.
Yeah. So if you are doing for the manually, that is a very difficult thing.
Okay.
That is why what you need to do,
So what
we
can you?
have the script. We need to record these steps also. Like using this data, you can launch the URL and next transaction click on sign up now. Enter the these
Okay.
details and click on continue, and you are able to log in, and after that log out. And your recorded script is generated in the like statement, right?
Yes.
There you need to username, password, this data you need to do from the parameterization.
We need to update that from the that
Yes,
notepad.
in the notepad you need to give from the, for example, your name is Ravi. Okay, Ravi 1, Ravi 2, Ravi 3. You are given names from the that Excel sheet. Then
Okay.
here you are executed from the 50 times. Assume you are executed from the 50 times. Then what will happen? 50 data is created for you. You
Okay.
want
I can
100 data
understand.
means you can create from the 100 data here.
Can you please do one time data for sign up, so it will be more easy for me, so I can future use it for my means personal project. One sign up,
Yeah.
please.
Already we have there recorded script. I will show you for that how it is working. Okay.
Okay, no issue. That script we have discussed on our session,
Which section?
means in our session, means in which our classes, or
Yeah.
any.
See, it is our class only, daily classes only. Because see, test data also very important for us. Okay.
Yes.
Ourselves, how to we can prepare data also. See, now you can observe. I recorded for these steps only. I will show from the steps also for you guys. First, I launch the application. First,
Okay.
you can observe the manual flow, and after that, we need click on sign up now button and enter the details. Okay, some Johnny I entered, and Johnny 123, and I'm confirming for the password Johnny 123, and first name Johnny, and last name some Sheikh. Okay, and street address I'm giving from this, and okay, and click on continue. See, thank you joining from the registration. Means registration is done. So then click on continue. And after that sign out. And means now you are able to create it from the user. Now you can check what is the name I given. It is a created or not. You can check. Johnny and Johnny 1, 2, 3. Now click this. See, now you are able to create it using that. So this same thing we are performing in the script. If you go from the this test data script, I recorded, see launch. Okay, and after that login, nothing but just I am doing from the, okay, just to click on for that button, and after that enter data. Enter data means I entered what data I entered, right? You can observe username, password, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, all values I did in the parameterization. If you go from the parameter, see now you can observe, so all values I done with complex parameterization I done, so all data enter. So if you click on here, so this data we are entered. Okay, you can observe this data enter. So now what we can do means this data already created, right? 3 data we can remove and will create from the new data. Okay, Okay, Babu 1 and the username is a 1 to Babu, and so the first name whatever you can give is fine, no worry. Sriram 1 and address will be giving same, and Arsha 11, right? We can give from the Arsha 101 we can give. Okay, this some 0 means just I'm new data adding for your understanding point of view. Okay. So now two data I created from the new data. Okay. So now before going to that, I will show for you guys this user will be there in our front end or not, we can check. So just sign off this and like enter from the username and password is a Babu12. So you can observe this user there, incorrect username means we are not created. Okay, means that is fine, and we'll check this also. Arsha 101 is the username and Arsha 1203 is our password. Now click this. See, now you can observe these two users will be not there. Now using the our script we can execute from the two iterations. Okay. I'm saving for data, so you can observe also this data, what data I change. First two data it's came first, this is the first column, this is okay, first row, second row. Okay, now I am executing two times only, means two data only I am creating, just to your understanding point of view. That is why go to the runtime settings, in the run logic I am giving from the two iterations and click on this. Now we'll execute. You can see the runtime viewer also, how we are recorded script. You can observe also it is a creating data. So now we'll go to the application and our script will be passed, means your data is created. So if you go to the application and now this is the second iteration, right? If you click this, see you are able to login, means using the whom we are created, through script we are created, and we can sign off and we can check from the Babu also. First user Babu 12, right? Okay, if you see here, and Babu 1 and Babu12 password. So now we'll Babu 1 and Babu12, right? I think we are getting wrong. Babu 1 and Babu12.
B capital.
B in caps, B first B in caps.
Okay.
Password. That is case sensitive.
Okay.
Username.
Yes. Yeah, we got it. See, using for the script only, we are created the data. Now we can think, so how much data you want, ourselves we can prepare. No need to depend from the any database team, no need to depend on the whom. We have the sign up scenario will be there. Ourselves we can record our script and do the parameterization, and we can do this. Okay, so this data is creation is a very important. For example, you want to create from the same data from the 200 means, so here adding from data will be somewhat difficult, right? How to you can do means, you can open the any Excel, easy way also we can do for that. Any Excel, it is open. So now you can observe, just I'm creating from the like data. So now what we can do, so like how just this data is the not we are creating, right? So that is why yourself you can prepare the data. How do you can create means using for the your parameters only. Parameters, what are the columns will be there, you need to give username param. You can give from the username param. Okay, and for example you are creating data, already columns is there, right? You can give directly give from the username. So first for example we are giving from the username is a Praveen. Okay, and password I am giving from the Praveen 123, and I given from the Praveen 1. Okay, first name I am giving from the okay okay pp1 and some pra12. Okay, so we have the first like username, password, and next what is that first name, and you can observe also if you want to miss, you can see here first username, first name, last name, and address 1, address 2. That is fine. Okay, next will be address, not address. This is the last name and address, first one and second one Hyderabad. Okay, now so just here you can give from anything is fine. Okay, myself I'm giving this and I'm creating this data. Yourself you can give from the what data you want, you can give, because there is no dependency from the like this data only we can give from the this names, there is no thing will be there. So now you can prepare data means like you can just drag it, right? You can create the data, how much data you want you can create. See, you can observe 2 3 4, you can create from the how much data you want you can create here. See, for example I want 54 data, I can create it, and same way this everything we can create from the same thing, just simple thing we can drag it. So you can observe every time is the changing from the data. You can observe every time we are changing data. Everyone are observing, right? So this data you can save here, and this data and paste into the your script. How do you can do means you can save this. Okay, save as, and here is the important thing, when we are saving, save with the comma delimiter. Okay, CSV comma delimiter, and click on save this. Okay, we are given anything name for this document. Okay, some next we are given, right? Okay, here we are saying that. Okay, this top will be there. Okay, save this. Okay, so it is saved, right? So now go to the where it is that ref folder, that file. I think desktop only. What is the name we are given? Yeah, this is the our scenario. You can observe also it is updated from the with the today date. Now we can open. So when you are opening with, right, I think in this document we have multiple things will be there. Okay, multiple will be there, right? We want only for single. So what we can do means we can move book sheet 1, create okay, otherwise we'll open from the new one. Okay, sheets and just blank. So now already there, we can copy paste it. Control C, and we can paste this. Now again we'll save this, save as, and again we need to select from the comma delimiter, CSV dataset comma delimiter, and you are saving from the desktop. That is the name is the, okay, we'll change the data name. Okay, user test data, just our understanding point of view, I change it and save this. Okay, so now it changed, right? Now can go to the desktop. Okay, what data we are created, right? If you go to the desktop, where it is we are created from the, what is the name? User test data. I think this is only, right? Yeah. So now you can open. So here open with notepad, you can click. See, this format same as for ours. You can observe. If we go to the script, test data script, okay, if you open edit with notepad, you can observe same format. This is the same format. So if you want means you can remove for this everything, and what data we are created, that data just Control A and Control C and go to the here, and we can paste it. Okay, okay, so you can save this. Okay, so now you can observe all data is we are saved from the in this document. Okay, so you can save from the like this, the user document, the data username from check file format. Okay, 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 comma came, why starting is comma came. Okay, from data is comma came. Okay, just now we'll copy. Okay, so you can observe everywhere somewhere is a comma came. What happened? So that is why you can save with the column names, then you will not get from the this kind of mistakes. So just when you are like preparing data in Excel, right, you can give it the common like column names, then it will not come the these commas. So means format if it is wrong also, your data not imported from the file. I think now everything is fine, right? Okay. Go up. Okay. Yeah, Control C. Now we'll save for this data. Still some format. Click this. This is the username and the password. First name, last name. Okay, one more column is you can observe anyone. This is the extra column, right? You can observe. That is username. This is the password. This is the first name, last name. So this column is the extra column added. Okay, we can remove this extra column. So first name, username, password, first name, last name. Okay, here one column is there, right? This column we can remove. That is why format is you are showing from the error. Okay, again save this. Okay, we can open from the again. Okay, go to the desktop, user data, and open with the notepad. Again, commas there. Yeah, now data is clear. Oh, I think it's manually good thing. Just removing the commas. So because same name we are given, right? It is reflecting.
Kiran, entire file is uploaded. That file.
Yeah, we can do that also. Okay. So for as of now, we'll put it from up to this will take for these users, and we'll see that any format error. You are getting format error means maximum will be what is the data we are given, right? Somewhat will be mistake like commas or whatever maybe. Okay, now we can Control S, save this. Still you are getting.
You did not paste properly, means first line is missing at that there. I have seen there. Little bit first line.
1 minute. I will check.
Let me
Yeah,
check.
here.
No, maybe column name is extra, something like check-in, please.
No.
Maybe
This is the username, right? This is the
password.
password, and
And
this is the first name, and
Yes, this is
last name,
last.
and address 1 and address 2. Correct only. Okay.
Uh,
Somewhere is missing. Okay. You can observe here is the first name password missed. So some columns is missed. That is why it is not accepting. Okay. Here also.
then
Okay.
you can delete two left. Okay. Yes, one left. One more.
Okay, this is the thing. That is why means as per expectation columns if not there you will get from the format error. Now username and password and first names and last names. Now I think good, right? We'll save this and now we'll see.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, see data is scanned. So now how many data you have, right? For example, total will be if you go here and we'll check here also maximum how many data we have. So you will execute from the now you can create data like you can give from the, for example, now we'll give the 20 iteration. Just observe from the through our script we are able to create that new data or not, you can check. So go to the runtime settings. Just I am executing from the first 20 iterations. Maximum we are given 20, right? Can observe here. Okay, 12 only we are given, right? Okay, 12 only will give. If you give 20, what will happen means it is a duplicated again. Okay, 12 iterations. See now 12 data is created. So like this you can create from the how much you data you want, you can create.
Me
Means
20 sign up is creating. No, 12 sign up is
12
creating.
12 signups are creating. See now you can observe like we are able to creating from the data. Now you can check for the data randomly in the application. Really it's created or not. If you want means you can go to the application and randomly you can check from the this data. Okay, for example, we'll take from the Praveen 8 and password is the Praveen 130. Okay, if you go to the application, Praveen 130, right?
Uppercase, maybe shy, maybe
Oh,
uppercase.
one minute. Yeah, I will check here. In script, we'll check. No worry. Okay, already I opened, right? Many things is open. If you go from the test data script, so Praveen 8 and okay, Praveen again I enter from the double E. Here is a not double E. Password is we are not given double E. Praveen 130. See now we did. So now we can check from the anything we are able to done this scripting means. So we are not depend from the everyone. So ourselves we can create our script and how much data we want we can create from the data. So what data you are created this data, right? Now we can go to the that script. For example, this is the web2 script, right? Can go to the parameters. I think we are not done here. Okay, now what you can do from the complex parameterization, you need to copy paste it from the in the data file how we did, right? With the comma delimiter you can do from the here. Got it?
okay.
Kiran, I have only one question. Before that, you have created some data on for pet store. For that, you have set the iteration two times. For there are multiple users. How can we do that? So I can little bit miss that part. Not for
Where,
this time you have mentioned that 12 iteration.
yes,
I
yes,
I get.
yes, yeah.
But before that, when you have when I ask
Yeah, that is just I showed from the example, and after that how to we can create data means easy way, like we're using from the Excel. So because we need to using the here, you can click on here and enter here and come to the down and copy paste it again. You need to entering means that is also manual effort, right? To overcome that manual effort using for the Excel, how much data you want, you can prepare there. That data you can copy and paste it and you can prepare the data.
Okay.
Got it? Just the two
This is
data
the only.
only.
This is the only way we can manually update the username, password, sign up things. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
There is
You
no option.
manually.
We can. There is any option. Suppose we have to create for 1,000, but on the we have to create Excel sheet manually. That is the thing.
Yes, manually you should definitely you need to prepare. So that
Okay.
is not a big deal, right? Just you can drag it, right? Because whatever data you need to means you can just drag it and you can create that data and you can that data copy and paste into the in test data script. And once you can create that data, you need to put from the actual script.
Okay. So I will.
So yeah. So as of now, we did from the complex parameterization, right? This is also very important. So I think no one is practice is going to well. Okay. So tomorrow I'm expecting from the everyone do the parameterization. Okay, and everyone will do from in front of me also. Okay. Sorry. And Sunday or Monday will conduct and I will conduct from the interview section up to parameterization also. Maximum parameterization we have the some few scenarios will be there. If you finish that, we can do from the system test as same to the I will conduct from the interview section up to parameterization.
Okay.
So Praveen, any doubts, Praveen and team?
I'm not sure.
No, right? Okay.
Sorry, Kiran. Oh, I didn't get web tour on server. Could you please cross check? Maybe I didn't get on spam as well.
Oh, no worry. I will send to you. Can already your mail is there, right? Otherwise, you can update in WhatsApp to me, and I will send.
Okay, okay. Please send me.
That is okay. That is not a big deal. Okay.